In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Gemini AI app on Windows PC or laptop. So on your laptop or PC, open up any browser of your choice and go to Google Gemini. So go to the official Google Gemini website and then just open up Google Gemini here. Okay, so once you have opened up your Google Gemini here, so what we're going to do on your browser, which is your Chrome browser here, so what I'm going to do, click on the three dots which is on your top right there. So click on the three dots, and then here, if you scroll down all the way down, you will see there is an option called cast, save and share. Okay, so click like hover your mouse on cast, save and share, and then you will get to these results here. So here, choose this option here, install page as an app. Okay, click on it, and this will ask you, so you can give a name for this app. So in this case it's Google Gemini. That's fine. I'll just leave it as it is and then hit on install. So this will now install Google Gemini as a separate app on your PC. So you can see now here Google Gemini has now been installed. So if I go back to my, let's say to my desktop here, see on my desktop here I have Google Gemini installed as a separate app here. So in order to launch it, all I have to do is double click on it and then I'll be able to open it.